Hi, and welcome to this week's word work. I'd like you to get a sheet for brand name phonics, although we are going to be doing Nifty Thrifty 50, and there will be some extra challenge at the end. So you will need quite a few spaces to write words. Thank you. Don't forget to write your name and the date on there, and at the end, all of this work needs to go in your literacy duotang. Okay, this first word is expensive, so I want you to write that word down in your top left rectangle. The root word is expense, but we drop the E, add the suffix IVE. Another word which is related is expend, so I'd like you to write that word down in one of the boxes. Any word that appears on this screen, if you are going for the extra challenge, you do need to write down. Another related word is defend. This word is governor or governor. The suffix is OR, and very similar to ER, the OR suffix stands for someone who does something. The governor governs. So that word govern and the OR ending stands for the person that does it. Other related words that you can write down are donor and actor. The donor donates, the actor acts. Your next word is impression. Look for the root word. If you guess that the root is impress, you are correct. Oops, I made a mistake. The root word is press. The prefix is im, and the suffix is ION. So the root word is press. When you walk in the snow, your feet press down into it. Impression leaves an imprint on someone's brain because they remember you. You make a good impression. So what they thought of you will be pressed into their minds like a footprint. Related words to write down are compress and compression. Next word is independence. The word is actually the root word of depend with the prefix in and the suffix ence. So this prefix actually means the opposite. So if you are dependent or exhibiting dependence, it means you are relying on someone else. If you are independent or independence, you are not relying on somebody else or not dependent on someone else. Okay, now I want you to write down these three related words. I want you to underline the suffix for each one of these words. Okay, last but not least, there are two more words, violence and patience, that I'd like you to do the same thing for. Alright, next word is submarine. The root word is marine with the prefix sub. That root word means under. Three other words for you to record are sub-freezing, that means below the freezing point, submerge, subway. Next word is transportation. Can you think about what the root word is here? So the root word is transport, and the suffix is ation. There is also a little word in here, port, which means to bring or to carry. When you carry things across some place, you transport them. Other words in which trans means across or through are transmit, transfusion, and transatlantic. Write down all three of those words, please. Last word is unfinished. The root word is finish. Prefix is un. Un means the opposite of, so not finished. Two more related words to write down are unfriendly and unhappy. Okay, if you have finished this nifty thrifty 50 and you still have some more time and want the extra challenge, this is what we're going to be doing next. We are going to be combining some of the words we've already learned to spell new words. In the end, I will show you all of those words. Okay, write the word exportation. Next word is transported. Next word is importation. Next word is depended. Next word is imported. Next word is impressed. I'm very impressed. Final word is inexpensive. Okay, now if you've taken on this extra challenge, look over your words and see if you've spelled them correctly. Please go and check all of your work. Make sure your name and date is on the page and any highlights or circling that you need to have done is finished. This is the end of your word work.